everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use Google Calendars. This calendar is great for staying organized and it's really easy to use. You need to be signed into a Google account to use it. Let's get started. First, search Google Calendar. Click this, Calendar/Google. If you have an existing Google account, then sign in here or click Create Account. This is your calendar. You can adjust the view by clicking the drop-down menu. You can view it by day, week, month, year, etc. I like to view it by month. To create an event, you can either click Create up here or click the day that you'd like. Then add a title. You can add a specific time or leave it for all day. If you use Google Reminders, then feel free to go to Reminders and set a time for it to notify you. You can edit when the calendar reminds you by scrolling down and clicking your name. Here where it says 30 minutes before is where you can change it. To edit more advanced settings, go to More Options. Here you can change it back to all day, edit the time again. Also, this is a useful feature that lets you adjust whether the event repeats itself. You can make it repeat daily, weekly on a Friday, or do custom. Here you can add a location to your event, and if you scroll down, you can change the color of it to easily color code your calendar. Here where it says busy, if you choose busy, then if someone is trying to invite you to an event, it will let them know that you are busy at this time and date. Down here you can add a detailed description of what your event is about, and you can also add attachments like documents or important files for this meeting. Next, you can invite others to events. This is a very useful feature because if you have a meeting or an event that involves multiple people, it will appear on their calendars along with all of the information you added. You can invite anyone by typing in their email here where it says Add Guests. It doesn't even have to be a Gmail. If this meeting is maybe for a conference call, you can click Add Google Meet Conferencing, and it will attach a link that they can directly click on to join the meeting. Here you can modify their permissions. Then click Save. You can choose to send an invitation or not. On the side here are your different calendars that Google has created for you. You have your primary calendar, which is your name, and then these other ones which are also connected to your Google apps like Reminders and Tasks. If you wish to hide any of these calendars, click to uncheck them. Click the X over here to completely erase them. Having multiple calendars is useful because you can differentiate between different types of events, such as work versus personal. At work, you can display just your work calendar so you aren't distracted by personal events and vice versa. Click the plus sign here where it says Other Calendars to create a new one. Type in a name and a description if you want. Click Create Calendar. Then click the back arrow and it will save. Now you see your new calendar right here. You can also share calendars, maybe for work or with a group of friends. Click the three dots and then Settings and Sharing. You can scroll down and click Add People. Just like sharing an event, simply type in their email. When you click the back arrow, everything saves automatically. When someone shares a calendar with you, it will appear in the Other Calendars section. Also with the three dots, you can change the designated color. Finally, to get to settings from this screen, click here and then click Settings. Here you can change things like the default duration of an event, displays, and more. So that's about it. And once again, Google Calendar is really simple to use and great for staying organized between things like work and personal events. I hope you have a good day and thanks for watching.